Yes. Hello, champions. Hi, hello, namaskara. This is your Premila Ma'am, and today we are going to deal with your second PUC exam. Yes, you heard it right. The most important questions for your PUC exam, which will ensure that you score 70 out of 70. Of course, we know in our PUC exam we have 70% theory mark, 70 marks for theory, and 30 marks for practical. In the 70 marks of theory, you have 1 mark, you have 2 marks, you have 3 marks, 5 marks, and finally numericals. Especially this part now, this part of numericals now, this is extremely predictable in your second PUC. So trust me, I am going to give you all the glimpse of what to do, what not to do, what are all the questions predictable for your upcoming exam in this video. So this video is going to be super duper important. But before going on to this video, I hope my audio video is all clear, picture perfect. So please let me know if it is in the comment section below. Yes. Hi everyone. Hi Sapphire Soul. Hi Suma. Hi Saren. Hi Preeti. Very good, very good, very good. Is everything perfect? Is everything picture perfect? Yes? Okay, my dear. So before going on to the session, I wanted to ask you something. How was your exam, my dear? So far, how was your exam? How was your biology exam? How was your physics exam? Yes, can you tell me? How was the exam, Dakana? Hi. So, guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel because this is the only channel wherein which you can get your sessions, you can get access to your session in your same language, Kannada language. So, please subscribe without fail. Yes, wonderful. 65 plus. Alden, if you are regularly following the session, which is by today and tomorrow, for sure you are going to get 65 plus. Even you can reach easily to a max of 70. Okay, so yes, without wasting any time, let's get started. And before going on to the consistence of this session, I would like to tell you one thing. We have our Vedantu offline center in Bangalore, JP Nagar now. So those who are not aware of this, those who are ready to join the offline centers, here is the location, my dear. Contact the location, contact the Vedantu center there, and you can avail some cool, smart offers onto your preparation, onto your courses. Right? And we will right away go into the question, my dear. This is the first one. At a given temperature and pressure, nitrogen gas is more soluble in water than helium. Right, they have given a statement on solubility. They have asked which amongst the following, is it nitrogen or is it helium, which has higher value of KH. So all you have to do is consider the solubility and KH mantra and let me know the answer for this one, my dear. Yes. Let me know the answer. Your solubility is given and the one which has higher KH value is being asked. So how will you find it out? How will you find it? Very good. So you guys know that solubility. You guys know that yes, solubility is said to be inversely proportional to your Henry's constant KH value, right? So solubility is inversely proportional to KH value. In this means helium gas is the right answer. Why? Because helium's KH value is high, solubility is less, and the correct answer is absolutely helium, my dear. We will look into the next question, and the next question goes like this. On mixing equal volume of acetone and ethanol, what type of deviation from Raoult's law is expected? And your options are positive deviation, negative deviation, no deviation. Please let me know, is it A, B or C? Is it A, B or C, my dear? Quick. Please let me know the answer. Acetone and ethanol. Kana, once the session is over, I'll give you this entire PDF as a link in our description and comment box. Okay, so don't you worry. Sweta says positive deviation, option A. Others, please answer and mark your attendance in the like. Okay, so please mark your attendance with a like. Okay, I can see a lot of A's, lot of A's. Very good, very good, very good, my dear. Option A, positive deviation is the right answer because I think acetone and ethanol will always form positive deviation or minimum boiling azeotropes. Remember this point. Remember this point. Oh, oh, oh. Ah. Minimum boiling azeotropes have positive deviation, whereas maximum boiling azeotropes will have negative deviation. Okay, so note it down, note it down, note it down, and here we are with the next set of questions. So, what happens to the molar conductivity when 1 mole of KCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution? Right? At first, it was actually 1 liter. Then you added some water in order to make sure that the quantity is converted from 1 liter to 5 liter. So, yes, 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 Dakana. Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. For sure, Sanidhi. Don't you worry. We'll do a video for COMEDK as well. Yes. So, guys, if you haven't smashed the like button, please smash it out. Smash it out and subscribe to the channel without fail. What happens? Option A, it will increase. Option B, it will decrease. Option C, it will remain same. You have your options now. Okay, you have your options now. Please look into the options and let me know the answer, Dakana. Look into the options and let me know the answer. What happens to molar conductivity when 1 mole of KCl dissolved in 1 liter solution is now converted into 5 liters, which means you have added an extra 4 liter of water. Are you sure that it will decrease? Because a lot of people says that yes, ma'am, it is going to decrease. But the actual fact is, whenever you consider the molar conductivity of a molecule which is highly diluted, whenever you dilute the solution, your molar conductivity is going to increase. Why? Because on dilution, the ions in the solution will get a larger space to move upon, right? So your K plus and Cl minus will move constantly. This movement of ions, mobility of ions will ensure that the molar conductivity increases, and that is why I say molar conductivity increases but conductance of the solution decreases. You get my point? Option A is the right answer. Molar conductivity increases but conductance of a solution decreases. Note it down, my dear. You have your next question. What happens to the half-life period of a first order reaction if the initial concentration of the reactant is increased? What will happen, Dakana? What will happen? Focus, please focus and let me know the answers. Guys, do share this session with your friends so that we will ensure a good count in the live. Okay, so share maximum. Okay, Sapphire Soul says remain same. Shweta says remain same. What happens to half-life period of a first order reaction if initial concentration of a reaction is increased? I'll give you the option. Option A remains same. Option B increases. Option C decreases. And option D not predictable. It is not predictable. So please look into the options and let me know the answer now, my dear. Please look into the options and let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. Yes, Sweta, Govind, everyone says option A. Alden says option A. Very good, very good, very good, my dear. In case of first order reaction, as you can see, your T half in case of first order reaction is independent of your initial concentration. Why? Because T half of first order reaction has a formula of 0.693 divided by K. It is only dependent over rate constant. It does not depend over concentration. So that is why we say option A is the right answer. It remains same. Next question for the day. Name the process which is usually employed in the purification of nickel. What is the process called as? What is the process called as? Name the process which is usually used for purification of nickel. Harisham, I'm not so well versed in Kannada that Kanna, but don't you worry. Soon I'll come up with Kannada videos as well. Let me know, let me know, let me know your answers, Dakana. So, yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 Dekana. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Okay, okay. Dekana, focus, focus, focus. Hi, Trisha. Welcome, welcome on board. Hi, Preetu. Welcome on board. Very good, Deep. So the answer is Mons process. Very good, Dakana. The answer is Mons process. Wonderful, Deep. Legend of Universe. Alden, Rohan. Rohan, this is a very easy question, Dakana. So yes, the process name is Mons process. Okay. Next, you have a question in which you have to find A. What is A amongst the reaction? I'll give you options: Xe2O3, XeO3, XeF3, and option D is XeF2O2. So please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. Utsav Murali, MCQs coming soon, Dakana. I have already covered up the MCQs in this session. Right? We are covering up the MCQs now. So focus and let me know the answer. Yes, Likita. Yes, yes, I do remember you, Dakana. Saran, yes, previously I was working with Xylem. So I was working in Xylem in the NEET domain in the 11th and 12th and even in 9th and 10th domain. So yes, yes, yes. Trisha option B, Arshi option A, Sapphire option B, Govindapa option B, Bhagat, Sujitra, Hariram, Rohan, everyone option B. Very good, my dear. So the end result is going to be XeO3. Ma'am, how do I find it? It is super easy. Okay, I'll tell you the trick. So here you have 6 fluorine and 6 hydrogen. This 6 fluorine and 6 hydrogen forms 6 hydrofluoride compound. If this forms hydrogen fluoride or hydride of fluoride, then obviously the rest, which is xenon and oxygen, is going to combine to form a molecule. And thus, I say option B is the right answer, and this is a displacement reaction. Very good, my dear. So option B is the correct answer. Let us look into next question. How many moles of AgCl will be precipitated when excess AgNO3 is added to 1 molar solution of CrCl H2O5 Cl2. So your options are 1, 2, 4, and 6. Please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answers in the comment section, Dakana. So, Utsav Murli, don't you worry about organic, Kana. We are coming up with one mega revision. Okay, it is coming up soon. And in that mega revision, every concept, physical, inorganic, organic, everything will be sorted out. So, chill, relax, and look into the questions, Dakana. So, yes. Let me know the answers. Wonderful, Likita. Yes, of course, even if you're preparing for NEET or any other entrance exam, this paper is going to be super helpful for you. Why? Because you can practice a lot of concepts here. Okay, so the answers are Suchitra option B, Rohan B, Govindappa B, Legend A, Sapphire B, Suma B. Very good, my dear. So the correct answer is absolutely option B, which is 2 moles. Super, Akana. Super. Why? We will move on to the next question, which is name the organic product formed by chlorobenzene treated with dry ether. If a chlorobenzene is treated with dry ether, what will happen? Chlorobenzene and dry ether. What will be the product, Dakana? Shall I give you some answers? Shall I give you some options? All right. So your options are going to be option A, phenol, option B, phenyl alcohol. Your option C is diphenyl group, and option D is aldehyde, benzaldehyde. So please look into the question and let me know the options, Rakana. What will be the product form? What will be the main product form? Yes. Let me know the answers. Let me know the answers. Guys, if you haven't liked this session, mark your attendance. Mark your attendance in the like without fail, okay? Okay. I can see a lot of option C's. Very good, Dakana. So the correct answer is absolutely option C. Diphenyl is the right answer. Could you please tell me what could be the byproduct of the same? Byproduct, if chlorobenzene reacts with sodium in dry ether, the byproduct is going to be NaCl, sodium chloride salt. Wonderful, Dakana. So we will look into this question. Let me know the answer for the same. This is a super duper question. Okay, you have to find the naming reaction. What is the name of this reaction? And yes, even in last class of second PUC, I told you 7th one not cleared. It is cleared, Dakana. It is cleared. Okay, so I believe that you are unable to understand the concept, right? So don't you worry, I'll come again with the question. Plus, first let me know the answer for this one. Okay, first let me know the answer for this one. I'll come again with the 7th question. Okay. Okay, very good. So the answer is absolutely Rosemond reaction. And how will you know this? We have one trick. I just told you the trick even in last class, which is Boss Pet Red Rose. Right? Boss Pet Red Rose. Here, Boss stands for barium sulfate. PET stands for palladium. So you use a catalyst which is palladium and barium sulfate. Red means the molecule is getting reduced. And finally, rose stands for Rosemond, which is the name of the reaction. So yes, Boss Pet Red Rose, this is absolutely Rosemond reaction, my dear. So yes, So if you look into the last question now, right, the seventh question, which I did not explain it to you, please look into it. You are going to get so many number of AgCl on precipitating, on reacting it with, on reacting the complex with a lot of excess amount of Ag and O3. So always remember, in case of a coordination compound, whenever you dissociate it or made it to react, then you will get a complex which is inside the bracket and an ion of counter molecule, which is in this case it is going to be Cl minus. So if your AgNO3, excess amount of AgNO3 reacts with 2 Cl minus, obviously you are going to get 2 AgCl, and that is why I say option B is the right answer. 2 moles is the right answer. Clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, Dakana. So we'll look into the last question, last MCQ of the day. And please let me know the answer for the same. Please let me know the answer for this question, Dakana. Yes, yes, yes. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. Hi, hi, hi. Preeti, Preetu. Hi, Harsha. Welcome, welcome on board. Harisham, single and mingle is not a trend for this days, Dakana. Okay, single and mingle is not a trend. So leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Hi, hi, AGM. Welcome, welcome on board. B12. Very good, very good, very good, Dakana. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you guys because it is absolutely right. Without any options, you told me the right answer. Vitamin B12 is the right answer. It is the absolute correct answer. Kudos, kudos to all of you. You have done a wonderful job. 10 marks, 10 out of 10 marks. Pakka for you in your hand. You're going to smash MCQs like anything. Now we'll look into 2 marks, okay? So the first 2 mark comes here. What is mean by the term coordination number? And what is the coordination number of face center cubic closed packed structure? So at first, what do you mean by coordination number, Dakana? Say for example, I have a molecule which is SF6. What is the coordination number of SF6? Quickly tell me, what is the coordination number of SF6? Yes, yes, yes. What is the coordination number of SF6? Thank you, Likita. Hi, Bhavana. Welcome on board. Welcome, welcome. So, yes. What is, Dekana, you don't have to tell me anything. What is the total number of coordination number of this molecule? Very good, very good, very good. So is it going to be 4 or 6? SF6, which means 6 fluorine surrounds your S molecule. The total number of ligands which surrounds, or the total number of ions which surround the central molecular atom is called as coordination number. Now you get it, now? Now you get it. So in case of FCC structure, the total coordination number of FCC structure is going to be 12. But why 12, Dakana? Why 12? Can anyone let me know why 12 for a FCC coordination number? Why 12? Why 12? Why 12 for, why 12 is the number of coordination number? Why is it a coordination number for FCC? Why? Why? What's the reason? What's the reason? Because if you consider the atom as face centered, now face centered, consider this as a cube, my dear. I know it is horrible cube, but still consider this as a cube as of now. So if you consider a cube, in each corner you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms surrounding. And in each faces as well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 atoms connected. Right? So in this case, in each faces, you have four corner atoms, right? So if I'm trying to connect someone here, okay, in the red faces, then they are going to face 4 atoms at the corner plus 8 face centered atoms. So 4 plus 8 together will give you a total of 12. So that is how 12 comes into place. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Okay, Manjunada, have you heard of a series called as Death Note, Kanna? Have you heard of a series called as Death Note? Yes? One Piece, Death Note, Demon Slayer. Do you guys love watching these movies? Yes? No? Any idea? Let's chill, Kanna. Let's chill. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Yes? Do you watch this, what we call this cartoon? Anime cartoons like Demon Slayer, like Death Note, One Piece, because these are all what I have watched so far. So yes, yes, yes. It is a series, right? It is a series. Now it's anime. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful, 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 Dakana. So yes, for the next 2 days now, consider chemistry as your unnamed chapter, right? You just have to consider your chemistry as completely just how you love unnamed. You're just going to focus on chemistry just like how you used to focus in your unnamed series, like say for example, once again, One Piece or something like that. And focus, focus, focus. You will get very good marks. All right. So let me know the answer for this question, my dear. Just tell me, what does your Faraday's first law states? Yes, 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 Dakana. Please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer for this question, Dakana. And also, one important thing to remember is, please make sure that you like the session. Yes, and focus on the class. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer for this one, Dakana. Very good, very good, very good, Trisha. Very good, Sapphire Soul. So, what does Faraday's first law state? The Faraday's first law state that the amount of chemical reaction which occurs at any electrode, any electrode during electrolysis by a current, this electrolysis process, now it is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed, right? Right? So it directly states that the mass deposited is directly proportional to the charge or the current which passes through the circuit, right? So that is why we say yes, 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 you guys are absolutely right. Mass is equal to ZIT is the formula, right? Next question. What quantity of electricity in coulomb is required to deposit 1 mole of zinc? How much quantity of current is used or electricity is used to deposit 1 mole of zinc, Dakana? Please let me know. Please let me know. Hi Abdul, welcome, welcome on board. Please let me know the answer. Hi Shanmugagani, welcome, welcome, welcome. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please like so that you can ensure that we have, attendance regulated. So it is going to be 2 Faraday. Very good, Trisha. Why 2 Faraday? Because zinc exists as zinc 2 plus, which means 2 plus is the charge. You have to consider it, multiply it with your Faraday. 2 Faraday is the right answer. Or if you find the answer, it is going to be 193000 coulombs of energy. Very good, Dakana. So we'll look into the next question. A reaction is first order with respect to a reactant A and second order with respect to reactant B. In the reaction, A plus B gives product. Fine. Write the differential rate equation. You have to write the differential rate equation. I'll give you four options. The first option is going to be K concentration of A, concentration of B. The second option is going to be K concentration of A square, concentration of B. The third equation is going to be K concentration of A, B square. So let me know the answer, Dakana. Please let me know the answer for the same. Kanna, the count is so low. So share it maximum with your friends so that we have a lot more students here and the session will go with fun. Kanna, focus. Please let me know the answer. I'll hide myself so that you can see the entire question, right? Is it A or B or C? Is it A or B or C? So there is a confusion between option A and C. Kanna, always remember this thing. What is the expression or differential rate equation? It is going to be rate concentration of reactant 1, which is in this case, it is going to be A power X and B power Y. What are these X and Y? X and Y is nothing but the order of reactant A and the order of reactant B respectively, right? So here in the question, they say the reactant A is of first order and reactant B is of second order, which means here X is going to be, since it is first order, 1, and Y is going to be, since it is second order, 2. And so the correct answer is absolutely option C, Dakana. Very good. Option C is the right answer. You have smashed it like anything before. We'll look into the next set of questions. Yes, how is the rate of a reaction affects on increasing concentration of B by 2 times, right? So this is the question. Please let me know the answer in this formula. Okay, K A B square, you are going to increase the concentration of B by 2 times. Okay, so if you increase the concentration of B by 2 times, tell me how many times, or what will be the new value of R? What will be the new value of rate? I'll give you 4 options, right? Option A, R is going to be 4 times. Option B, R is going to be 8 times. Option C, R is going to be 16 times. And option D, R is going to be 2 times. It doubles. So please let me know the answer, Dakana. Please let me know the answers using the options given below. I know that you guys are smart. You guys are extremely talented. So look into the options and let me know the answer. 4 times. Very good, my dear. So if you convert B into 2B, then it is going to be 2B square. If your 2 square comes out, it is going to be 4AB square into K, right? Which means 4 times of that of actual rate. And yes, 4 times is the right answer. Option A is the absolute correct answer, Dakana. Very good. So now you have to give me 2 differences between lanthanoids and actinoids. So one quick question. Okay, one quick question. First, tell me their electronic configuration. Do you know the electronic configuration of the same? If so, please tell me the electronic configuration of lanthanoid and actinoid. Yes, what is the electronic configuration of lanthanoid and actinoid, Dakana? Hansu, I do know Tamil, but basically I'm a Malayali, Dakana. I'm from a place, my native is from a place called as Calicut, Kozhikode in Kerala. So yes, let me know your answers. Very good, Trisha. So the electronic configuration of lanthanide is going to be absolutely xenon 4F, 4F and what we say, uh, uh, 4F, 5D, and 6S. Right? Very good. But in case of actinoid, it is going to be 5F, 6D, and 7S. Right? Why is this not writing? Just a minute, Dakana. So first you have learnt about the electronic configuration of these molecules. Second question, quickly tell me, amongst these orbital of lanthanoids and actinoids, which orbital is said to be unfilled? In lanthanoids, which orbital is said to be unfilled? Quickly say me, Dakana. Quickly say me. Please tell me though, which orbital is unfilled in case of lanthanoid? Is it 4F or 5F? 5D or 6D? 6S or 7S? Please let me know. Please let me know quickly in the comment section. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Tell me in gada gada gudu gudu mode kanna. Quick, quick, quick. Yes, yes, yes. Can I literally don't know what is the kanna. But if I look into the net now, it says something that attracts attention or is worth looking at. I believe that is the real meaning. I don't know the Kannada because I'm so bad with Kannada. I'm learning Kannada now. All right. Okay. So in case of lanthanide, 4F is unfilled. In case of actinoid, 5F is said to be unfilled. Okay. Right. So next question about lanthanoid and actinoids. Tell me, can you like, what is the half-life of lanthanoid and actinoids, Dakana? Do you have any radioactive elements in lanthanoids? Do you have any radioactive elements in actinoids? Yes, just put it. If it's lanthanoids, L, and put how many radioactive elements are there. If it is actinoids, put A and put how many radioactive elements are there. Yes, Dakana, please let me know. Please let me know. Okay. Very good, Saujanya. So in lanthanide, you have only one magnetic substance. In actinoids, all the elements are magnetic substance. In fact, you cannot find the magnetic property. You cannot find the magnetic property of actinoids because they are all radioactive, and that is why their magnetic property is so complex. So yes, magnetic property. The next point is magnetic property can be found or can be discussed in case of lanthanoids. Magnetic properties cannot be considered in case of actinoids. Why? Because their half-life period is very less. Super Dakana. So we'll look into the next set of question. Please let me know the answer for the same. Please let me know the answer for the same. And if you haven't liked the session, please do like the Kana. Let us make it 100 quickly, okay? So yes, let me know the answers. Kanna, what do you exactly mean by depression, Dakana? When I was a child just like you, we do not know what exactly this depression thing is. Okay, if we go and say, like, mom, I am feeling depressed, dad, I am feeling depressed, then you will have like, you could have a very good shot of chapel, or if you could have a very good shot of a stick in your hand, right? So we will be fearful for that, and we had no such concepts of depression. I don't know why depression comes into your life, why depression comes into your field, Kanna. You are all children, you are all, your only work is to study, nothing else. You do not have any chances of looking after your family. You don't have to look into what happens in the family. You don't have to look into the price of petrol, the price of diesel, the price of daily goods. You just have to study, that's it. Why are you getting depressed for the same? Adadadadadade. Okay, very good, very good, very good. So the product formed when phenol is treated with acidified Na2Cr2O7. Whenever you treat your phenol, our dearest of the dearest, phenol with Na2Cr2O7, you will get benzoquinone. What does mean by benzoquinone? If you have a benzene ring connected with two oxygen, it is called as benzoquinone. So yes, 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 this is the reaction. Okay. All right. So we'll look into the next set of question and tell me what is A and what is B. See, Dekana, Likita, sorry, not just Likita, everyone, just think this concept, okay? Being depressed and not being depressed is a choice. It is only in your head because you are the owner of what you think, right? So always think everything in a positive way. Even if you feel that the day is completely off, take it in a negative, sorry, take it in a positive way. Okay, something bad happened, just because it should not be on its worst part. Just think it that way. And obviously, there is no space for depression. There is no space for nothing, Dakana. You're always going to win like anything, march like anything. All right. So yes, Isala Kapunamade, for sure, for sure, for sure. Sajanya. Okay, Umesh, don't you worry, Rakana. I'm just giving you some hopes and some words of knowledge. So, yes, yes, yes. Adi, tell me what is A and what is B. Quickly tell me what is A and what is B. See, I'll give you some options. Okay, I'll just give you two options. Option A is going to be C6H5 CH2 Na, and C6H5 COOH. Option B is going to be C6H5 CH2OH and C6H5 COONA. So please look into the option and let me know your answers, Dakana. Please look into the options and let me know the answers. I will hide myself. Is it A or B? Is it A or B? Is it A or B? Look into the options and let me know the answers. Are you sure that it is A? Are you sure that it is A? I know when I ask this question, the answer is going to be B. Okay, okay. So, yes, 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 Dakana. The correct answer is absolutely option B, because what happens here with the reaction is you have two benzaldehyde, right? So, one benzaldehyde will connect with sodium, right? Forming. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. So, the correct answer is absolutely, absolutely option B. Bhuvana, you cannot say A or B. No, no, no. It is absolutely option B, Dakana. It is absolutely option B. Why? I'll let you know the options. In first case, your oxygen is removed and in that place, your NaH is added. In second case, you have one oxygen. 1 minute. All right. In 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So here you can see that yes, in first case, your C6H5CH2 is going to get connected with alcohol, which is OH group, the OH group which is present here. And in second case, it is going to be your, yes, C6H5COONA. Very good. Next, look into this question, Dakana. Look into this question. Let me know what is the role of these as food additives. First, let me know the answer for sodium benzoate. Where do you use the sodium benzoate, Dakana? Where do you use the sodium benzoate? Yes, yes, Saujanya. Thank you. Thank you so much for telling the same. So please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know the answers, Takana. Yes, yes, yes. So what's the answer? What's the answer? The Kanna, answer it out, answer it out. Where do you use your sodium benzoate? Do you have any idea? Sure, Suma, I am actually learning Kannada just for the sake of you guys. So don't you worry. Soon I'll be fluent in Kannada. Just give me some time, okay? I will, I'll ensure that I speak in Kannada. Yes, Suma, that will be really helpful, Dakana. So then and there, if as I can see the chat, I can also learn Kannada, right? Okay. So talking about sodium benzoate is actually used as a food preservative, right? Next, we will talk about aspartame. Aspartame is used as an artificial sweetening agent. So you have to know this. You have to know this. Sodium benzoate is a food preservative element, and aspartame is actually an artificial sweetening agent. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Nikita, that is actually my son. He's 11th month old. He's 11 month old, and yes, he's the one who made the noise. So yes, yes, yes. Please let me know the answer for this question, Dakana. Please let me know the answer for this question. Sure, sure, Likita. For sure, for sure. For sure, Sapphire. I'll give you this notes once the session is over. Okay, so look into this question. What exactly is saponification? I'll give you four options, okay? All right, I'll give you four options. Option A, production of soap. Option B, production of antiseptic. Option C, production of detergent. So, what is this process? Or is it option A or B or C? Is it option A or B or C? Uta ita. Had dinner in Kannada. Got it, Rakanna. So everyone, uta ita, uta ita. Okay, answers, answers, answers. Ashya says option C. Only one answer. Others, please let me know, Dakana. Yes, ma'am. Very good, very good, very good. I too, Super Sinu. Kaicho, Kaichu, Kaichu. Dakana, Kaichu, Dakana. Okay, wonderful. Yes, Sapphire Soul. I too, I too. Okay, 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 Kana. Wonderful, wonderful. So, yes, the answer for this question is absolutely option A because saponification is actually a process wherein which you produce soap. And how will you produce soap? You will just add this oil or fats, whatever you have. In India, we used to use coconut oil for that. Okay, so you will add some amount of coconut oil, you will add NaOH, and you will try to heat and continuously mix both of them. So that is how your soap is formed. Yes, soaps are formed. So yes, option A is the right answer. Option A is the absolute correct answer, my dear. Very good, very good, very good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Madhyana dinner akanuvu. Okay. Okay, Noel Barreto, don't you worry. I'll let you know about zero order reaction and first order reaction, Kana. Don't you worry, don't you worry. But before that, please let me know the answer for the same. This is actually a 3-mark question. Okay, so tell me, what is actually a bauxite ore? I am giving you some options. A bauxite ore contains silicon oxide, iron oxide, titanium oxide, along with aluminum oxide. Right? You have to tell me. Right? A bauxite is actually a ore which has aluminum oxide along with traces of silicon oxide, clay, iron oxide, and titanium dioxide. Okay, right? So amongst these, this aluminum oxide actually dissolves in alkali, and thus in order to get your aluminum oxide from bauxite, now the first step which you do is you take this aluminum oxide from bauxite by making the bauxite react with sodium aluminate, right? Okay, what happened, Kanna? ಎಲ್ಲಡ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಸನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲ okay. I will ensure that from next session we will go chapter wise. Okay, don't you worry, don't you worry. But as of now, since I have this set of question, don't you worry, Dakana, we will look into the same. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, Rakana. So first what you will do, you know that your bauxite contains silicon oxide, iron oxide, titanium dioxide along with your aluminum oxide, right? You have high concentration of aluminum oxide. You are going to make the bauxite react with a concentrated solution of base like maybe sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or any kind of base at a high temperature of 473 or 500 degree Kelvin. And you're also going to give high pressure. The pressure here which you have to give is 35 bar pressure. So once you do this, your alkali will dissolve in the alkalic metal, like your aluminum will dissolve in the alkalic metal, and you will get sodium aluminate. Then you take the sodium aluminate, you cool it, you neutralize it by passing carbon dioxide, right? And finally, when you pass this carbon dioxide, now you will get aluminum oxide which is precipitated. Then you will dry it and you will heat it in order to ensure that there is no impurities, and thus finally your bauxite is converted into alumina. Okay, yes my dear. So we'll look into the next question, and here you have write the equations involved in the preparation of nitric acid by Oswald's process. So what exactly is Oswald's process, Dakana? Do you know what exactly happens in Oswald's process? You are going to prepare nitric acid, which is HNO3, from ammonia, which is NH3. So what is the first step? What will I do first, Dakana? Okay, please let me know. Please let me know. What happened? What happened, Dakana? Please let me know. Please let me know what happens at ammonia at first. Your ammonia reacts with oxygen to form your NO along with water molecule. So the second step is going to make your NO react with oxygen again. Thus, you will get nitrogen dioxide. Your third step, you are going to make this NO2, nitrogen dioxide, to react with water, and that is how you get HNO3 along with NO. You can once again use this NO in the step. You can follow step 2 and step 3 so that pure HNO3 is formed at constant. Is that clear? Is that clear? Ashia, don't you worry. I will make sure that I come up with another session for the same. Bhuvana, maybe another 1 hour, my dear. Within 1 hour, I'll complete the portion. Okay? So please look into this question and let me know the answer. Complete the following equation, Dakana. Complete the following equation. Equation number 1 is given here. Complete the following equation. Yes, yes, yes. Please let me know. Please let me know. Dekana, see, you have a lot of time left after this session. Okay? Right? Right? So please focus on the class because these are all so much important for your exam, for your second PUC exam. I want you to have maximum focus because trust me, you can get similar kind of question in your PUC too as well. Right? Those who have written KCET, you must have seen that only by watching our videos, like for especially for chemistry, there were a lot of students. There were a lot of students who came to me in person and told me that yes, ma'am, your session was very helpful. I got somewhere around 30 plus, 40 plus marks just by seeing your session. So this was what told by the students. I can even attach the link for you if you want so, right? So please focus on the class. I have you might not even think about it, my dear. I have taken all the previous year question of second PUC so far. I took it, I jotted it down, and I came into a final conclusion that yes, these are all the repeated question, these are all the repeated model of question, and then I am giving you this question set. So please focus and let me know the answer. Trisha, CO2 and H2O. Very good, very good, very good. Arshia, Govindappa, wonderful, wonderful, Dakana. Hi, Arshita, welcome, welcome on board. So, what happens here? Your water molecule is removed, H2O, and the remaining molecule combines to form CO2. Wonderful. So, we will look into next set of a reaction, and here you have it. Please focus on the class, please focus on the class, and let me know the answer for the same. What could be the product, Dakana? What could be the product? Please let me know the product. Yes, please let me know the product here. Yes, let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer, Dakana. So, what will be the answer for this reaction? Okay, okay. Focus, focus, focus on the class. Okay, so I'll let you know what happens with the reaction. Here, Fe3 plus is reduced to form Fe2 plus, right? So 2 Fe2 plus is formed. Then you will also have SO4, 2 minus, and 4H plus ions. So this reaction is basically an ionization reaction. You get ions in the final phase. So you have this last question on making your H12O22, C12H22O11 react with concentrated H2SO4. What will happen? What will be the product, Dakana? It is going to disintegrate into carbon and water. So you get 12 carbon and 11 H2O. You get it? Is that clear, Dakana? Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubts so far? Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So we will look into the next set of question, which is the strongest acid among hydrogen halide. You have 4 acids, my dear. Hydrogen iodide, right? You have hydrogen iodide, you have hydrogen fluoride, you have hydrogen chloride, and you have hydrogen bromide, right? So please tell me, which one amongst the following is said to be strong? Which one amongst the following is said to be strong? 1 minute, my dear. Just a minute, okay? So please tell me which amongst the following is said to be strong. So yes, he was the one who was making all the noises, right? So yes, Sakana, please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. Fluorine. Is it fluorine? Which one is strongest among hydrogen halides? You have to tell me which one is strongest among hydrogen halides. Yes? Hydrogen iodide. Sure. Hydrogen iodide. Pakka. Very good, very good, very good, my dear. So the correct answer is going to be absolutely hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide is the right answer. Why? Because hydrogen iodide has the least bond dissociation energy, and that is why we say hydrogen iodide is the right answer. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Thank you, Suma, Likita. His name is Seyondakana. So yes, I don't know, but yeah. So yes, we will look into next question. Here you have to find the structure of chloric acid. So I'll write the structure of chloric acid. You have, in case of, his name is Seyon Dakana. Seyon, Seyon. Hi, say hi. Okay. Right. So next, we will look into another question. And yes, the structure of your hydrogen or chloric acid is going to be chlorine, oxygen, and OH. Okay, this is going to be our thing. Next question. Please look into the question. Give reasons why transition metals are good catalytic agents. Yes, why? Seyon means Lord Muruga Adakana. Have you heard of Lord Muruga? Yes, he was actually born on the date of Shashti. So that is why his name is Seyon. Transition metals are good catalytic agent. Why? What is the reason, Dakana? Yes, what is the reason? Guys, if you haven't liked the session, please do like and subscribe to the channel as well. Okay. So yes. Hi, hi, Harsha. Welcome, welcome. Yes, because of half-filled d orbital. Is it because of half-filled d orbital? Are you sure, Dakana? Are you sure? Very good. One of the reason is halfly filled or incompletely filled d orbital. Okay, incompletely filled d orbital. The second reason is they exhibit variable oxidation state, and the third reason is they have more surface area. So yes, that is the reason, Dakana. Okay. So here today, luckily he is being so quiet. He never used to be quiet. Okay, so luckily he is being quiet for the day. Yes, yes, yes. Papu, baby in Canada. Okay, okay, Dakana. So he's my Papu. He's my son. So next question. Second ionization enthalpy of copper is very high. Why? What's the reason? Can you give me any reason, Dakana? Can you give me any reason for the same? Guys, if you haven't liked the session, please like the session because one more like for 80. Okay? Yes. Say hi, hi, hi to everyone. Hi, Parada Tango. Hello. He's so busy with biting the thing. Yes, Arshia. Yes, 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 Dakana. It is not just because halfly filled d orbital, because in some element of d block they have completely filled, incompletely filled d orbital. So the correct explanation is incompletely filled d orbital. Okay. Yes. So yes, 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 Dakana. Please let me know the answer for second one. Second ionization enthalpy of copper is very high. See, if you want to see him then and there, then please make sure that you guys are subscribing to the channel, okay? I'll bring him then and there to the session. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, because of highest unpaired electrons. Is it so? Why is the enthalpy, ionization enthalpy of copper is very high? The reason is in case of copper plus ion, okay, in case of copper plus ion, they have disruption in their stable D10 configuration, right? You know, copper has a stable D10 configuration, and when you make it Cu plus, copper plus, then it is going to have a disruption in the stable D10 configuration. So considering this, there will also be a loss of exchange energy. Okay, there will be a loss of exchange energy. Yes, so that is the main reason why second ionization enthalpy of copper is very high. Okay, because it is because due to the disruption of D10 configuration. If you bring in copper plus, then D10 is not going to be stable enough, and that is why we say second ionization enthalpy of copper is very high than that of first ionization enthalpy. Is that clear? Yes. Very good, very good. So we have the next question, and it says the spin only magnetic moment of your SC3 plus is said to be 0. What is the reason, Dakana? What is the reason? Why he's so cute? Okay, tell me, Dakana. What is the answer for the third question? The spin only magnetic moment of SC3 plus is 0. Why? Why? What? What's the reason? What's the answer, Akana? Quickly tell me the reason. So what is SC at first? It is scandium, right? Scandium is in the very first series of your D block elements. So please tell me why scandium 3 plus has spin only magnetic moment. So if you take scandium 3 plus, then the configuration is going to be D0. D0, which means there is no electrons in d orbital. If there is no electrons in d orbital, then absolutely there is no unpaired electrons in d orbital. That is why your magnetic moment is also 0, right? I'll give you one trick for your magnetic moment, Dakana. Please note it down. Please note it down. Whenever the total number of unpaired electrons, okay, the total number of unpaired electron is said to be 0, then your magnetic moment is also 0. If the total number of unpaired electron is 1, then magnetic moment is 1.8. For 2, it is 2.8. For 3, it is 3.9. So this is how, without using the formula, you can directly find the magnetic moment just by considering their total number of unpaired electrons. Yes? Yes, Dakana. So we'll look into another set of questions. I'm just looking the baby right there. Okay, Likita. So this is another set of questions. Please let me know the answer, Dakana. Please let me know the answers. Yes. Please let me know the answer for the same. So what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Write the equations involved in the preparation of potassium from chromator. Write the equations involved in the preparation of potassium dichromate from chromator. So you guys know that you can take any chromator. I'll take an iron mixed chromator, which is FeCr2O4. Right? At first, you have to make sure that it reacts with the carbonate molecule. So here I'll take sodium carbonate and oxygen. You are going to heat it, thereby ensuring that you get sodium Na2CrO4. Next case, you are going to hydrolyze this Na2CrO4 plus some H plus ions, thereby ensuring that you make Na2Cr2O7 ions. Then once again, you are going to make it react with any form of chloric acid or any form of acid. Here I use KCl in order to find potassium dichromate, and that is why I get K2Cr2O7. So yes, this is how you find the answer, Rakana. Okay? Yes. Yes, Saujanya. Okay, so shall we? So the next question is, with the help of valence bond theory, with the help of, one minute. Okay, with the help of valence bond theory, account for hybridization, geometry and magnetic property of nickel CN4 2 minus. So you have nickel CN4 2 minus here. You have to tell me at first what is the electronic configuration. Okay, electronic configuration of nickel in the complex. What is the electronic configuration of nickel in the complex? Please let me know, Dakana. Please let me know. So yes. What is the correct answer? So what is the correct answer? Please let me know. Yes, thank you everyone. So yes, he's gone now. He's he's so active now. So he wants to play. That's why I have given him out. And let us focus on our class, okay? Right? So tell me, what is the electronic configuration of nickel in this complex, the complex which is given below? Very good, very good. So we know here, since the molecule, the nickel in itself is nickel 2 plus, the electronic configuration is going to be argon 3d8 and 4s0. So yes, this is the configuration, my dear. Configuration is exactly good, exactly good. Very, 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 very good, Dakana. So Saujanya, don't you worry. He's with my mom. He's a bit active now, so he wants to play. That is why I gave him to my mom. Right. So we'll look into the next question, which is packing efficiency in a unit cell. Now, trust me, this is a very, 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 very important 5 mark question, because every year's question paper, considering one or two exceptions are there, one or two question papers are there, but other than those, in most of the question you have a question which is based on packing efficiency of these unit cells, like either cubic cent close packing, either BCC, either HCP, either FCC. You have any one question which is related to packing efficiency. And how will you find the packing efficiency, Dakana? How will you find it? In case of an FCC, in case of FCC, thank you, Saujanya. Okay, Sambhavi, thank you so much, Dakana. In case of FCC, we know R, radius, R is none other than root 2a by 4. And considering the packing efficiency, how will you find the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by 4 pairs in the unit cell. Here it is going to be, in case of your CCP, it is going to be 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume of a unit cell. Always a unit cell is cubic in nature, so it is going to be a cube into 100%. So please let me know what could be the final answer, Dakana. What could be the final answer here? You just have to substitute your R value as root 2a by 4. Substitute it and tell me the packing efficiency in case of percentage. You have 4 options. Option A is 62%. Option B is 74%. Option C is 83%. And option D is going to be 49%. So look into this and let me know the answer, Dakana. Okay, don't you have this question? Because when I saw your syllabus and when I saw some previous year question, like not recent ones, but some previous year questions in the past, like 2018, 17, 19 and all, I can look into this question, Dakana. So don't you have this? Don't you have this? This is deleted. Is it so? Please let me know. Please let me know. Is it deleted? Because I saw the same question in like somewhere around 6, 7 question papers in the past. So it's deleted. Okay, okay, it's deleted. So we will leave it. We will leave it. Thank you for letting me know, Dakana. So now we will move ahead with this question, Dakana. A solution containing 18 grams of non-volatile, non-electrolyte solute is dissolved in 200 grams of water, which freezes at this Kelvin. Calculate the molecular mass of solute given Kf is this much, freezing point of water is this much. Please let me know the answer. I'm so sorry for bringing up the question, Dakana. Yes. So, okay. Please let me know the answer. Please let me know the answer. This one is not deleted, right? This is from solutions. Obviously, you might have this question. So please let me know, please let me know, please let me know the answer. Okay, Monkey D. Luffy. Okay, okay, Hakana. Thank you so much, Likita. For sure, Ashia, don't you worry, I'll come up with a session just for numericals, okay? I would not say that this single session is enough for your revision, but of course, you have to focus a lot more on other points as well. These are all questions which on looking onto your question papers, past like 10, 15 question papers, I came to a conclusion that these are all kind of recurring questions which is there in your previous year questions papers. So, yes, 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 Kana. Very good, very good. It is 180 gram per mole. Super monkey D. Luffy. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So how will you find it? Once again, you know molecular mass is equal to Kf into W into 1000, W2 into 1000 divided by delta Tf into W1, right? You got this from delta Tf. Freezing point is equal to Kf into M. You know, amongst the molality volume, you need M2. So you are just going to follow the trend. Right, substitute the values, which is 1.86 into 18 into 1000 divided by delta TF will be somewhere around 273 minus 272.07 into 100 into 200. So the final answer is absolutely going to be 180. Very good, very good, very good, Dakana. So we'll look into another set of question, and here you have define isotonic solution. Okay, what is isotonic solution, Dakana? I think I gave the same question even in the last session as well. So what is isotonic solution? Option A, same pressure. Option B, same volume. Option C, same temperature. And option D, same heat. So please let me know which one is the correct answer. Yes, Takana, please let me know. And also, guys, just 7 more likes for 100. Smash the like button like anything, Takana. Smash it out. Please take it out to 100, Takana. Okay. You have the options. Okay. You have to look into the question. See, monkey they look. Okay, Dashin, what is Kanna? Kanna is like a sweet. What we will say? Like Saujanya was there once to help me on explaining this. So Kanna is like calling a younger self. Okay, Kanna is like calling a younger self. Okay. So is it option A? Phoenix Shadow says option A. Hirmat says option B. Hi, Kanna. Basalin, hi, welcome on board. Ashia says option A. EGM, I am talking about this question, the question which is below, option B. Please let me know the answer for that. Please let me know the answer for that. Hi, Amish. Welcome on board. So the correct answer for this question is absolutely perfectly option A. Whenever you have same pressure, aka same osmotic pressure, then we say that it is an isotonic solution. Okay, what happens when blood cell is dipped in a solution containing more normal saline concentration? So what will happen when you dip your blood cell, right? When you dip your blood cell in a solution containing more than normal concentration, saline concentration, then obviously osmotic pressure will ensure that the molecules shrink, the blood molecules shrink, because obviously if you take the one which is more than normal of no, more than saline concentration, then obviously the concentration of the molecule, the saline substance, is going to be high, right, as in when compared to your blood, because in blood your saline nature is said to be low, right? So your blood molecules, the water which is present in your blood molecule is going to move away to the higher concentration, the saline molecules, making the blood surface a bit thin, a bit shrink, and a bit dehydrated. Okay? Yes. So we will look into next question, which is calculate the EMF of a cell of a reaction. You have a cell here. Okay, you have a cell here. Please look into the cell and let me know the answer, Dakana. Yes, yes, Suma. Numericals are actually easy. So don't you worry. Numericals are extremely easy. So please let me know, Dakana. Please let me know. So please let me know your answers. Please let me know your answers. Okay. 3.02 volts. Monkey D. Luffy says 3.02. Okay, we will calculate the same. Right? Okay, Dakana. So first, look into what is there in the equation. So in the equation, you can see that your Mg is turning to Mg2 plus, which means there is a transfer of 2 electrons. Similarly, your Ag plus is turning to Ag, which means in one Ag you have 1 electron transferred, in 2 Ag you have 2 electron transferred. So N value is going to be 2. Then E naught of Mg is given, E dot of Ag is given. From that you can consider or identify E naught of a cell, which is right minus left. In this case it is going to be 0.80 minus of minus 2.37, which becomes plus 2.37. And so your answer is 3.17, right? 3.17 volts. So now you have to find E of a cell. How will you find E of a cell? Super duper easy, Dakana. You have a formula, you have a Nernst equation. E of a cell is equal to E naught minus 0.06 by 2 log of concentration of product. Here the concentration of product, which is Mg2 plus, is 0.001, right? I can write it as 10 to the power minus 3 divided by concentration of reactant, which is 10 to the power minus 4. Since you have 2 Ag plus, you are going to square it. So it is 10 to the power minus 4 square. Okay, so now you have to wrong. What happened, Dakana? Which one is wrong? It is right. It is right. So the E naught value is 3.17 minus 0.06 divided by 2, 0.03. I am just giving you an approximate value. Log of 10 to the power 5. Right? Log of 10 to the power 5. Even if you do not know, here you have log of 5 value, right? 10 to the power 5 value, right? Which means obviously the value is going to be the same. Alright. Next, what will you do? You will just find the value. 3.17 minus 0.06 into log of 10 to the power 5. If you take it here, it is going to be 5 log 10. 5 log 10 is going to be 1, which means it is just going to be 5. So 0.06 into 5 will give you an approximate of 0.30. And if you minus it with 3.17, then it is going to be 3.02. So yes, 3.02 is the right answer, my dear. 3.02 is the absolute correct answer. Wonderful, wonderful, Kana. You have done a very good job. So I'll give you one more question for the day, which is about fuel cell. Okay, you have to tell me which one amongst the following is a reactant of fuel cell. So option A, hydrogen. Option B, oxygen. Option C, methane. And option D, all the above. You can use all the above in fuel cell. So you have 4 options. Tell me which are all the reactants in fuel cell? Yes, 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 Dakana. Please let me know the reactants of fuel cell. Quickly, quickly. Everyone, please tell me, is it A or B or C or D? Dakana, just 2 more likes for 100. So if you haven't smashed the like button, please smash it out. Please smash it out. Quick, quick, quick. Is it option D? I can see a lot of option Ds. Sapphire Soul says hydrogen. Okay, very good. So the correct answer is absolutely option D, all the above, because you can use hydrogen and oxygen to form water in fuel cell. You can use methane to form methanol in case of fuel cell. And yes, option D is the absolute correct answer, my dear. Option D is the right answer. Wonderful, 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 Dakana. You guys are doing a wonderful job. So I'll give you one more question for the day. All right. So the question goes like this. All right. Um, you have to tell me what are all the factors which leads to effective collision. And your options are option A, activation energy. Option B, threshold energy. Option C, proper orientation. And option D, all the above. You have one more option. Option E, which is A and C. Option F, which is B and C. Okay. So you have a lot of option here. Okay. You have a lot of option here. Please let me know. Please let me know. Okay, ma'am, don't do important questions. Please do different types of question. For sure, Monkey. Thank you so much for letting me know. Don't you worry. In the upcoming session, I will ensure that I give you all the possible type of question which can come from each chapter. Okay. Thank you so much for letting me know, Monkey D. Luffy. So is it A or B or C or D or E or F? Please let me know, my dear. Please let me know. Is it A or B or C or D or E or F? Please let me know in the comment section. Himnish, don't you feel like that? If you say it right, then I am going to say that you are absolutely right, Dakana. So please tell me what is the answer in the comment section without fail. So yes, in the upcoming session, I will ensure that you get all the types of questions which is covered in one chapter, okay? Each of the chapters. So that it just how, it happened in physics, it is not going to happen in chemistry. Shasha Russia, don't you worry, Rakana. So the correct answer is actually option D, all the above, right? Activation energy, threshold energy, proper orientation. All of this takes an important part in effective collision. So yes, option D is the right answer. All the above is the absolute correct answer. Got it? Clear? Shall we move on with the next question, Dakana? Okay. So I'll give you a statement. Right? I'll give you a statement. You have to tell me whether it is true or false. You have to tell me whether it is true or false. Okay. So the question goes like this. Or wait. In SN1 reaction, no intermediates are formed. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Please let me know. Please let me know. And those who are new to this video, please smash the like button and show your attendance there. Tell me if it is true or false, Dakana. Tell me if it is true or false. True. EGM true. Phoenix Shadow true. Arshia true. Mayuri true. Very good, very good, very good, Dakana. So, in SN1 reaction, do you feel that an intermediate is formed? An intermediate complex is formed? No. Instead of intermediate complex, right, your carbocation is formed, right? A carbocation is formed, which then reacts to form the desired molecule. Okay, so very good, very good, very good, Kana. In SN1 reaction, there is no carbocation, sorry, no intermediate form. It is just carbocation form. Is it clear? In case of intermediate, I say intermediate complex da Kana. If they ask for an intermediate, it is not carbocation. It is about an intermediate complex. You get the point? You get the point? Yes? You get the point? In case of SN1 reaction, a carbocation intermediate is formed. In case of SN2 reaction, you will ensure that an intermediate complex is formed. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. So now, another question. I'll give you a reaction. You have to tell me what A is. So CH3OH with red phosphorus and oxygen gives you A. You have to tell me what A is, and your options are EH3Cl, option B CH3I, and option C, sorry, it is not E, it is C. And option C C6H5 CH3, option D CH3 COOH. So please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. Yes, Dakana. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. Kutti, A, Mayuri, D. Renuka, D. Phoenix, A. Introvert, D. Okay, so there is a lot of confusion between A and D. Dekana, always remember this. Right? If you consider a reaction between CH3OH in the presence of red phosphorus and oxygen, there is going to be no reaction. There is no displacement which occurs here because oxygen and OH, they have similar electronegativity. So no displacement occurs, and yes, there is no reaction. Now to the fun part. I will change this oxygen into chlorine. Okay, and you have to tell me what shall be the product. So option A, option B I have already given. Option C is CCl4, and option D is HCl. So please look into the options and let me know the answers, Dakana. Please let me know the answers, and please let me know the answer. Thank you, Anita. Thank you so much, Dakana. A, D, A or D? I can see a lot of A's, a lot of D's. Very good, very good, very good, everyone. Renuka, Ashia, Mayuri, Govind, Neat Prep, Monkey. Very good, very good, very good. So the correct answer is absolutely option A, CH3Cl, because chlorine being more electronegative than OH, it replaces OH and gives you the final answer as CH3Cl. Wonderful, wonderful, Dakana. So yes, your next question is CH3Cl on reaction with, okay, please note it down, CH3Cl on reaction with NaI, sodium iodide, and dry acetone, will give me X. You have to find what X is, and your options are A, which is hydrogen iodide, B, which is going to be CH3I, C, which is going to be CH3Na, and D, which is going to be no reaction. So please, please, please let me know the answers. Let me know the answers in the comment section, Dakana. Okay, 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 Kana. Hereafter, I'll call you as Revati. Okay? Please let me know. Please let me know what could be the answer. Is it A or B or C or D? Is it A or B or C or D? Very good. It is Frankenstein's reaction. Very good, very good, very good. B. Phoenix says D. Others says B. Okay, so what could be the answer? What could be the answer, Dakana? Very good. So this is actually a Finkelstein reaction. Very good, very good, very good. And yes, the final answer is going to be absolutely CH3I. CH3I. Very good, Dakana. Now I will make this CH3I react with C6H5I in presence of sodium and dry ether. So you have to tell me what the final answer is, what the product is, and your options are option A. Ayo, what happened? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. And your options are option A, sodium iodide, option B, C6H5CH3, option D, I, no reaction. Okay, option C is no reaction. So please let me know the final answer. Is it A or B or C? Is it A or B or C, my dear? Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers in the comment section. And once again, if you haven't liked the session, please do like the session without fail. So yes, yes, yes. What's the answer, Akana? Toluene. Sure. I can see a lot of answers saying toluene. Neat Prep says toluene. Is it really toluene? Is it really clearly toluene? Yes? Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good, Akarna. So the correct answer for this question is absolutely option B, which is C6H5CH3 toluene. So very good, very good, very good, everyone. Wonderful, wonderful. You have done an expectably wonderful job. So I'll give you another question, okay? So in Williamson's synthesis. In Williamson's synthesis, N-heptane is formed. You have to tell me whether it is true or false. Please tell me if it is true or false, Dakana. If it is true or false. Quick, quick, quick. Please tell me if it is true or false. True or false. Dekanna, focus, focus, focus. Revati says option B. Hey, Revati, this is true or false question, Dakana. Hi, Rekshita. Welcome, welcome on board. Felix says false. Need prep? No, false. Renuka, false, 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 false. I can see a lot of false. Yes, this is absolutely, absurdly false. Why? Why? Because in Williamson synthesis, whenever you find to make a product, you will always get a product which has even numbered carbon. And so, N-heptane, which has odd number of product, is absolutely wrong. Wonderful, wonderful, Dakana. We will look into next question. And your question goes like this. So you have a reaction here, okay? Since you guys want a lot of organic question, you have a reaction here. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, you form a product. Okay, so tell me what this product is. And your options are option A, acetophenone, option C, phenyl chloride, option B, option C, it is benzyl chloride, and option D, it is acetone oxime. So please look into the options and let me know the answers, Dakana. Please look into the options and let me know the answers. What could be the product? What could be the product here? 108 likes. Guys, just 2 more likes for 110. Please smash the like button. Please smash the like button. What could be the answer, Dakana? What could be the answer? And those who are new, smash the like button and score your attendance, Dakana. I can see a lot of option A's, lot of I's over acetophenone. Yes? Yes. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is absolutely option A, which is acetophenone. Very good, my dear. We will look into another reaction. Hi, Shwati. Good evening, Kana. So in this reaction, you have C double bond O, CH3. This reacts with NH2OH to form a product. You have to tell me what product it is. So once again, your options are going to be same. All right, your options are going to be what we had here. I'll just copy paste the same, okay? And please let me know the answers. In the comment section. Okay, is it A or B or C or D? Hi, Chaman. Welcome on board. Hi, Sharif. Welcome on board, Dakana. So please let me know the answers. In the comment section below. Wonderful, guys. 113 likes. Let us make it into 150. Okay, 150. Let us make it into 150. Yes, Phoenix Shadow. This is for your MCQ practice. See, basically, if I talk about 2 marks or 3 marks or 5 marks, what happens there is you are, you might not tell me the answer in the comment section because it is somewhat big. So I'm breaking those 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark question in such a way that it becomes a 1 mark question and the concept is dealt. All right, so please let me know. Himnish, option D. Nishal, option D. Phoenix, option D. Arshia, option D. Dikshita, what's your answer, Akana? Hi, Prajwal. Welcome on board. Okay. So, yes, the correct answer for this question is absolutely acetone oxime because the end product which you form here is. The end product which you form here is. See what happens here. Exactly your NH or NOH, or I'd say your oxygen reacts with hydrogen to forms water. Okay, whenever you have a reaction, remove that unknown water. Okay, that water is not at all needed for us. Then what's remaining? You have one nitrogen, you have an OH remaining. So just add it around this place. You get C double bond NOH CH3 CH3. So that is how acetone oxime forms. Right? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, so we'll look into another set of reaction and here it comes. You have a reaction RCH2 COOH, wherein which you are going to make it react with any halogen in presence of red phosphorus and water. Now the question is, where will, or just a minute, I'll convert it to CH3, CH2, COH. So you have 3 carbons now. I'll make the numbering 1, 2, 3. You have to tell me at which position your halogen gets attached. Okay? At which carbon your halogen gets attached. And your options are option A, C1, option B, C2, and option C, C3. C1 is in COH, C2 is in CH2, and C3 is in CH3. Please let me know your answers in the comment section, Dakana. Okay, work boy, don't you worry, Dakana. I'll make a separate video for numericals. Don't you worry. It's 2. Option B, C2. Okay, hi Ganga. I'll call you as Ganga hereafter, Dakana. Very good, everyone. So option B is the right answer. Carbon 2 is the absolute correct answer, Dakana. You have, answered it like anything. Now another question. What is this reaction called? What is the name of this reaction? Name of this reaction. What is this reaction called as? Please let me know the answers. I think I'm learning a lot of Kannada from you guys. Himnesh, Sapphire. So I think I am learning a lot of questions. Lot of Kannada wordings. Okay, hi Sarthak. Welcome on board. Welcome to the family, Dakana. Guys, let us make our like reach 150. Okay, just few more likes left. So if you haven't marked your attendance, please mark it in the comment section below. Okay, Dakana. Neat prep, HVZ. Very good. Rehu, HVZ. Hi, Aishu. Arshia, HVZ. Sapphire, HVZ. Punya. HVZ. Ashika. HVZ. Yes, the correct answer is hell. Volhard. Zelensky reaction, which is famously called as HVZ reaction. Okay, very good, very good, very good, Dakana. We will look into next reaction. Okay, we will look into next reaction. Hoffman bromamide. Hoffman's bromamide degradation reaction is used for preparing benzylamine. Benzylamine. Tell me if this is true or false. Please tell me if it is true or false. Hoffman's bromamide degradation reaction can be used for the preparation of benzylamine. Is it true or false? Is it true or false, Dakana? Okay, let me know your answers in the comment section. And those who are new, smash the like button and post your attendance in the like button. Yes, Saujanya. After the Pahalgam issue, there is no India-Pakistan team. But yes, India-Pakistan match will be there only in the finals or semi-finals. You will not have any intermediate matches between India and Pakistan. That is which is told by BCC. So yes. But yes, Dekanna, please let me know the answers. Is this true or false? And those who haven't liked the session, please do like it without fail. Okay. Very good, Dakana. Mayuri Kumar, exactly the right answer. This statement is absolutely false. Why? Because Hoffman bromamide degradation is used to prepare only primary amines. It is not used to prepare aromatic amines or secondary or even tertiary amines. Right? So, yes, you're absolutely right. This statement is completely absurd. It is completely false. Super, Dakana. So, we will look into another question. And here it goes. So, the question is, base present in DNA but not in RNA is. Option A is thymine. Option B is uracil. Option C is guanine. And option D is adenine. Tell me which base is present in DNA but not in RNA. Is it A or B or C or D? Yes, Dakana. Is it A or B or C or D? Please let me know the answers. Quick in the comment section below. See, we have reached 121 likes. Just few more likes for 150. So if you have, please smash the like button. So, Taiman, Sapphire, Saujanya, Himnish, Punya, Suma, Renuka, Mayuri Kumar, Rehu, Ashia. Very good, everyone. Thymine is the right answer. Thymine is the absolute correct answer. Thymine is present in DNA but not in RNA. Similarly, tell me which base is present in RNA but not in DNA. Tell me which base is present in RNA but not in DNA. Please tell me, Dakana. Please tell me. Tell me which base is present in RNA but not in DNA. Which one? Which one? Quickly, let me know your answers. Uracil, wonderful, 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 Dakana. So uracil is the only base which is present in RNA and not in DNA, whereas thymine is the base which is present in DNA and not the RNA. Super, super, Dakana. You're doing an extremely wonderful job. So kudos, kudos, kudos to all of you. Lots of love, Dakana. So we will look into another question. Okay, right? We will look into another question. And the question goes like this. Okay. Tell me, like, tell me A in this reaction. Okay. So A, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, Dakana. Just 1 minute, okay. So A plus 2Rx gives R4 n plus x minus. You have to tell me what A is. What A is. And your options are RNH2, right? RNH2, NH3, R2NH, or R3N. Please let me know your answers. Please let me know your answers in the comment section. Is it A or B or C or D? Okay. Janu, don't worry, Dakana. The session is about to complete. Okay, just few more questions left. Just 10 minutes of session more, and we will wind up the session. No need for break. Kanna is actually a word which is used in both Tamil as well as in Malayalam. See, you know Lord Krishna, right? Have you heard of Lord Krishna? So another name of Lord Krishna is Kanna. We sweetly call children as Kanna. Okay, and it is like one famous style which is used by Rajinikanth in his Tamil movies. So Kanna is a sweet name in order to call the younger self. Yes, yes, Phoenix Shadow. So, yes. Lord Krishna's other name is Kanna. So, yes, 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 Dakana. Please let me know the answer. Is it A or B or C or D? Anurag says B. Mayuri says A. Punya says A. Mayuri says A. Look into the question. Look into the question. Okay. Please let me know. Please let me know. Option A. Everyone says that yes, yes, ma'am. It is actually option A. But the real thing is, see, you have just two alkyl groups here in Rx, right? But in the product, you have four alkyl groups. How will just two alkyl group be converted into four alkyl group? Which means you need an extra two alkyl groups in A. That is why I say the correct answer is actually option C, right? So two alkyl groups comes from Rx, two alkyl groups comes from R2NH to make sure that you have a total of four alkyl group. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes, yes, yes. So I'll give you another reaction, my dear. I'll give you another reaction. Which one? Which one shall I give? Okay. Conversion of An alcohol. 2. An alkene is a dash process. And your options are option A, dehydration, option B, SN1, option C, SN2, and option D, it is dehydrogenation reaction. So please let me know in the comment section, please let me know what is the correct answer for this question, my dear. Okay, I'll hide myself so that you can see the entire question. Please look into the question and let me know the answer. And those who have not liked the session, please like it without fail. So yes, with this, we will wind up the session, Dakana. So please give your maximum here. Give your maximum here. Very good. I can see a lot of option A's, a lot of option D's. So the correct answer is, if you have to convert, right? Say for example, CH3O, sorry, CH3CH2OH into CH2 double bond CH2, which is actually an alkene. What will you do? You will remove a hydrogen along with OH, which means you are going to remove water. And so the process is absolutely option A, which is dehydration. Okay, option A is the right answer. Option A is the correct answer, my dear. Can we do one last question? Can we do one last question, Dakana? Shall we? Shall we? Yes? Very good. So the last question of the day. The process of producing salicylaldehyde is called dash. And your options are option A, Kolb's reaction. Option D is Reimer-Tiemann. Option C is Wolff-Kishner. And option D is Getterman reaction. So please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know the right answer in the comment section, my dear. So what is the process with which your end result or the product is going to be salicylaldehyde? Ashika says B, Nitya says RTR, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Renuka A. So yes. What could be the right answer? What could be the right answer? Very good. So I'm damn sure that you might have confusion between option A and option B, but the correct answer is absolutely option B. Why? Because in case of Reimer-Tiemann reaction, you take a phenol, right? You take a phenol and you make it react with CH3Cl and 3KOH or any basic solution. Okay, you can take any basic solution, say any aqueous base, right? So when you make it react, you obviously know that you get your aldehyde group in position or in ortho position. And that is how we say that yes, Reimer-Tiemann reaction gives you salicylaldehyde. One quick question. Aspirin is a product of dash or is a product from salicylaldehyde. Option B, salicylic acid. Option C, benzylic acid. So please let me know. Please let me know the answers in the comment section below. Aspirin is the product of, because sapphire sol, in case of Kolb's reaction, the end product is going to be salicylic acid. Okay, so if you get salicylic acid, then it is going to be Kolb's reaction. If you get salicylaldehyde, it is going to be Reimer-Teimer reaction. Clear? So yes, last question of the day, let me know the answers in the comment section. And those who are not yet, or those who have not yet updated your attendance in the like session, please do like this section and post your attendance there. Is it salicylic acid? Sure, sure, sure. Very good, very good, very good, my dear. So whenever you make a salicylic acid, okay, so whenever you take a salicylic acid, and whenever you make it to react with CH3, CO, like twice O, which is acetate group, right, and H3PO4, at high heat, at high temperature, you get aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid, and the formula of the same is going to be COOH. Instead of OH, instead of hydrogen, you will have that acetyl group attached. Okay, so yes, this is how you find your aspirin or your acetyl salicylic acid. Wonderful, 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 my dear. EGM, Revati, Janu, Tansi, Renuka, Ashika, Govinda, Ravinder Reddy, everyone, you guys have done a wonderful job, a beautiful job. Kudos to all of you. With this, we will wind up the session. But a very big thing is happening tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we have a wonderful session. Me, myself, and Ankita ma'am is going to be there in the session. Please make sure that you are there, tan, as the session starts, because if you miss it, you're going to worry about it. So yes, my dear, I'll wind up the session. Thank you so much for being in the session. We'll meet you soon in the upcoming sessions. Until then, this is Premila Ma'am signing off. Tada, bye-bye, take care, and have a great